Samuel built a thriving HVAC business from the ground up, but even success has its challenges. Cash flow was tight, and it was slowing him down. With payroll looming and projects stacking up, Samuel turned to Integrity Cap. They got him a $500,000 term loan. Fixed rate, 10-year term. Now, the pressure's off. Samuel's back to doing what he does best, leading his team, growing the business, and looking ahead. Need capital to move forward? Set up a call with Integrity Cap today.